Hi everyone, welcome to this new video where we will discover a dream destination of many, the Maldives. The Maldives consists of 26 atolls, which are ring-shaped coral formations enclosing lagoons. Each atoll comprises numerous small coral islands, totaling over 1,000 in the entire nation. These islands are dispersed across roughly 90,000 square kilometers of the Indian Ocean, forming one of the most dispersed countries globally. Besides, it is the world's lowest-lying country, with an average ground level of just 1.5 meters above sea level. The Maldives beckons as a dream travel destination, a symphony of turquoise tones and pristine white sand beaches. The appeal lies in the luxurious overwater bungalows above crystal-clear waters, teeming with vibrant marine life. This archipelago, with its rich cultural tapestry influenced by Arab, Indian, and East African traders, promises an escape to paradise. Whether you are looking for romance, adventure, or relaxation, this destination enchants with its unparalleled beauty and timeless allure. Choosing the perfect island from a plethora of luxurious options is a pleasant challenge. Each island promises its own piece of paradise, with natural elements and world-class hospitality facilities. From the vibrant energy of larger resorts to the secluded tranquility of private islands, the variety is as vast as the ocean around it. We'll discover the secrets of this exotic paradise, where each island unveils a unique tale of pristine beaches, vibrant marina life, and cultural richness. Here is a list of the 10 top islands in the Maldives. At number 1 is the beating heart and the capital city of the Maldives, Malé Island. You'll find a dynamic cityscape against the calm ocean backdrop. On this island, there is the King Salman Mosque, a striking architectural masterpiece. With its elegant design, intricate calligraphy, and towering minarets, the mosque stands as a symbol of Islamic faith and cultural significance in the Maldives. At number 2, Marfushi Island. Marfushi is situated near Malé, yet offers a contrasting, lively atmosphere. It's an ideal destination for family vacations, allowing you to immerse yourself in culture. Because it is a densely populated island, it is notably more affordable on a budget. Many resorts offer family rooms and are child-friendly. The next island, Ari Atoll, is known for its luxury resorts, pristine white sand beaches, world-class diving and snorkeling sites full of vibrant sea life, including multicolored coral reefs, whale sharks, and manta rays. Another island that redefines the meaning of luxury is Mihiri Island. Here you will find world-class bungalows over the water. Imagine waking up to endless turquoise waters or watching the fiery sunset from your private balcony. Number 5. Because of its powerful surf beaches, the island of Thulestu is a popular place for surfers. It is known for its world-famous surf spots, including the legendary Coke's surf spot. The island has a local atmosphere with a vibrant canvas of local arts and crafts, where creativity flourishes in every corner. Besides surfing, you can also wander around the arts and crafts market, where you might find a nice souvenir to take home. Number 6. Thodu Island is known for its extensive fruit farms, especially watermelon farming. Visitors can enjoy exploring the lush fruit plantations, relaxing on beautiful beaches, snorkeling in the clear waters, and experiencing the local culture by interacting with the friendly islanders. Number 7. A major tourist attraction is the island of Bar Atoll. This place is a showcase of ecological genius, one of the famous spots of the Maldives. Bar Atoll is classified as a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve and is home to a diversity of marine species. You will also find luxurious eco-resorts offering sustainable tourism. If you are looking for absolute tranquility, it is a good idea to plan a trip to number 8, the island of Fihalhohi. The island has idyllic white sand beaches, crystal clear turquoise blue waters, and a relaxed atmosphere. The island is popular with travelers looking for serenity, snorkeling, diving, and other water sports activities in the paradise-like landscape of the Maldives. Number 9. Fulidhu Island. Many people think that a vacation to the Maldives must be very expensive and luxurious, but this is not the case. Although flight costs can be high because of the long travel time, it is possible to have a budget-friendly vacation in this paradise. Fulidhu, an inhabited island, is known as the most budget-friendly island. It offers natural beauty and fresh seafood, making even a simple vacation here perfect. Snorkeling is a popular activity with a beautiful underwater world to explore, and island hopping offers the opportunity to discover nearby Maldives islands. The 10th place is possibly one of the most beautiful islands in the Maldives, Vadhu Island. A unique experience for visitors is the Sea of Stars phenomenon, where microscopic organisms in the water light up when there is disturbance, for example, when there are waves or when the water is touched. It is especially visible at night, with little air pollution. In addition to this natural wonder, the island also offers all the delights that the Maldives has to offer. A visit to Vadhu Island is highly recommended during a Maldives vacation. Overall, the Maldives is the epitome of a dream destination, offering the perfect blend of relaxation, romance, and adventure. With islands known for pristine beaches, luxury resorts, vibrant marine life, and exciting water sports, the Maldives invites travelers to immerse themselves in a world of unparalleled beauty and unforgettable experiences. Whether you are basking in the sun-kissed serenity, embarking on a romantic escapade, or diving into thrilling adventures beneath the azure waves, the Maldives promises an enchanting journey that enchants the soul and leaves an indelible impression. Share your dream experiences of the Maldives in the comments, and if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more travel tips.